It continues to be rocked by aftershocks. This map showing the most severe ones. There was the original quake just after midnight, a magnitude 7.5. Since then, there have been a couple of 6.2s and another 5 near Kaikoura.
We woke up, you know, with the house sort of starting to shake, and I mean, that happens reasonably often where we live, and you roll over and go back to sleep, but it carried on and it got stronger and stronger, and you could see and feel and hear the house shaking quite significantly. And then we heard on the radio that they'd issued a tsunami warning. Quite a few of our neighbours came around and knocked on the door, and everybody made sure that everybody else understood there was a warning. So we packed up the kids and a few blankets in the car, and we've driven up the nearest hill.
No. That's not good. It's a very, very big and long earthquake. I'm not getting sleep.
There's an earthquake right now. Holy, that is strong. Like, it feels like everything is moving right now. Still going? Oof, that is strong. Oh, power's out. We just lost power from the earthquake. Oh, power's back. That's gone. This is bad.